Jeannie Mai has filed court documents accusing her estranged husband Jeezy of domestic violence and child neglect amid their contentious divorce. Mai alleges that Jeezy physically assaulted her, including punching her in the face and pushing her down steps shortly after the birth of their daughter, Monaco. She also expresses concern for Monaco's safety, claiming the child found a firearm belonging to Jeezy in a Louis Vuitton handbag. Jeezy has denied all the allegations made by Jeannie Mai in a statement shared on his Instagram account. The court documents also include photos showing severe bruising on Mai's arms, purportedly from a golf cart accident when Jeezy was allegedly severely intoxicated. One of the alleged incidents occurred on January 18, 2022 in Miami, while the couple was having a conversation in a parked car, just weeks after the birth of their daughter, Monaco. According to the court documents, Jeezy allegedly asked the driver to leave the vehicle and then proceeded to berate Jeannie Mai, using derogatory language and expressing a desire for divorce. He allegedly held her against her will inside the vehicle and struck her with a closed fist across her cheekbone and eye when she attempted to escape. This resulted in a subconjunctival hemorrhage. Following this incident, the couple sought counseling from their pastor and therapist. Additionally, Mai claims that Jeezy choked her from behind as she was walking up steps at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in San Francisco on April 14, 2022, before allegedly pushing her down the steps. A hotel security guard intervened after she expressed feeling unsafe, noticing the incident in the lobby. Jeezy allegedly used derogatory language toward Jeannie Mai, calling her derogatory names and expressing dissatisfaction with their relationship. The court documents mention Jeezy's documented issues with explosive outbursts, excessive drinking, and domestic violence directed towards Mai and his eldest son. Another alleged incident occurred on December 17, 2022, at the UNCF 39th Atlanta Mayor's Masked Ball, when Mai went to the restroom with her girlfriend. Jeezy allegedly became enraged when he couldn't locate her for 25 minutes and abruptly demanded they leave. It's alleged that Jeezy asked the driver to leave and then verbally abused Jeannie Mai, who tried to exit the vehicle twice. During the second attempt, he allegedly grabbed her by the neckline of her dress, tearing it and causing multiple 2-3-inch scratches across her right breast. Mai reportedly discussed this incident with her therapist, with Jeezy present, and confided in her best friend. Additionally, Jeezy allegedly crashed a golf cart, resulting in injuries to both himself and Mai, with photos showing the injuries. The documents suggest that Mai was unaware that Jeezy was excessively intoxicated before the crash. Jeannie Mai shared text messages from Jeezy apologizing for his behavior and expressing remorse for putting her in danger. In one message he wrote, "I'm so sorry, babe. Haven't forgiven myself for putting you in danger. I've been uneasy and sad about it." Additionally, Jeezy allegedly crashed another vehicle during their marriage after drinking excessively. Fortunately, in that incident, only property damage occurred, and no one was seriously injured. Mai stated that she mistakenly believed Jeezy had changed prior to their marriage after he assured her of this. The court documents mention ongoing concerns regarding the improper storage of firearms by Jeezy, including photos depicting guns scattered on the bedroom floor and throughout the house. Allegedly, Monaco found Jeezy's AK-47 in a Louis Vuitton bag on the dining room floor, posing a risk to the child's safety. Following this, both Jeezy and Mai agreed that Mai and Monaco would relocate to their rental residence in Los Angeles, California. The documents express Mai's reasonable concern for Monaco's well-being due to Jeezy's combination of concerning attributes and his habit of leaving bullets and assault rifles accessible. As a result, Mai has insisted on Jeezy securing his weapons properly. As part of an agreement with Jeannie Mai, Jeezy agreed to send her photos of all his guns in their homes, safely secured, and provide a full inventory of firearms. However, he only sent images of 4 guns, excluding the AK-47, but later informed Mai that he had removed the AK-47 from their home. He has yet to submit the full inventory of guns as agreed upon. The court documents also allege instances of neglect by Jeezy in caring for their daughter. In November 2023, while the child was visiting Jeezy in Atlanta, he left her seemingly unattended to perform at an event. In December 2023, during another visit, the child was reportedly locked in her room overnight, resulting in a health-related hazardous situation due to Jeezy's lack of proper supervision. Jeezy denied all allegations in a statement posted on Instagram, expressing his disappointment at the attempt to tarnish his character. He emphasized his commitment to being an active father to their daughter, and stated his focus on fighting for court-mandated joint custody. Earlier, Jeezy had retracted his request for full custody of their daughter and instead asked for joint custody and a temporary parenting schedule, following his previous claims that Mai wasn't adequately caring for their child. Jeezy seeks equal split custody for their daughter Monaco, stating that he hasn't seen her much in 2024 due to Jeannie Mai allegedly not following their agreed-upon custody arrangement from last year's mediation. While Mai agreed to let him have Monaco from March 3rd to March 9th, Jeezy claims plans to see his child in early April were disrupted. Allegedly, Monaco wasn't at their marital home when someone went to pick her up on visitation day. Jeezy asserts that he's often unaware of Monaco's whereabouts now that Mai and Monaco no longer reside in their former home. He claims Mai has blocked his cell phone number, preventing him from contacting Monaco via FaceTime. Jeezy alleges that Jeannie Mai is uncomfortable with his ownership of firearms, despite him being a gun owner for a long time. He has requested a hearing to establish a temporary parenting schedule amidst their ongoing divorce proceedings. This request follows his previous petition to an Atlanta judge to overturn their custody arrangement, seeking full custody of Monaco, claiming that Mai wasn't adequately caring for their child. Jeezy claims that Mai has denied him parenting time with Monaco for almost 2 months. During this time, Monaco has reportedly been primarily cared for by Mai's mother and brother, while Mai, with her commitments as a host, maintains a busy travel schedule. Jeezy argues that Monaco's life would be more stable under his sole guardianship. Jeannie Mai had previously requested that the court delay enforcement of their prenuptial agreement, stating she didn't have enough time to review it before signing amid conflicting statements about their separation. In Fulton County Superior Court in Georgia, Jeannie Mai filed a request asking a judge to either deny Jeezy's motion to enforce their prenuptial agreement or delay enforcement until both parties can exchange information about it. She claims that the prenup process was rushed, with negotiations starting just 5 days before their wedding, leaving her insufficient time for proper due diligence. Jeannie alleges that she didn't thoroughly examine Jeezy's financial disclosures and has significant reservations about his financial disclosures. According to TMZ, Jeannie's legal team states that Jeezy only provided one personal financial statement with approximate taxes, and she believes she was entitled to a thorough examination of all relevant documents. In December, conflicting statements emerged about their separation. Jeannie claimed she learned about the divorce from the news, while Jeezy reportedly denied this. On the Jennifer Hudson show on Monday, December 4th, Jeannie admitted feeling gutted after learning about Jeezy filing for divorce. Just days after suggesting her ex was allegedly unfaithful, Jeannie Mai opened up to a host about the difficulty of finding out about their divorce at the same time as the rest of the world. She described the experience as kinda hard, but emphasized that she's taking the split day by day. The couple's separation was reported about 2 months after they split and filed for divorce in September. Jeannie mentioned that she's doing better now, but admitted to feeling gutted when she was allegedly blindsided by Jeezy. She's been focused on picking up the pieces and rediscovering herself in the aftermath of their split. Her main priority is being a mom to her daughter Monaco, who was nearly 11 months old at the time of the interview. Jeannie and Jeezy welcomed Monaco about a year ago. On the Jennifer Hudson show, Jeannie Mai expressed her desire for their child to spend time with her father during the holidays. In December, Mai referenced her prenuptial agreement in her divorce petition response to Jenkins and implied infidelity on his part. However, just hours after the episode aired, a source told TMZ that these claims were false. The insider stated that Jenkins denied blindsiding Mai about their divorce, asserting that it was a mutual decision they had anticipated. They had sought counseling together before their split. Additionally, Jenkins adamantly refuted the cheating allegations. Domestic violence and child neglect are serious issues that can lurk in any corner, even where the spotlight shines the brightest. It's our responsibility to understand, to empathize, and to act. So, let's engage, let's discuss, let's elevate the discourse. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this shocking revelation. Stay tuned for more updates.